Need a comfortable guest bed that disappears when not in use is solved by smart pop storage solutions for small homes. Sofa-integrated pop-up mattresses with hydraulic lifts offer smooth, one-handed operation and are ideal when you want a full seating surface by day and a proper mattress by night. Choose a model with a mattress thickness of at least 4 inches of high-resilience foam or a hybrid foam and pocket spring layer to avoid sagging and to provide pressure relief. Cabinet beds that unfold from wardrobes save floor footprint by using vertical storage and simple folding mechanisms. Measure the cabinet depth and ceiling height precisely, leave 3 inches clearance for hardware, and select robust hinges or gas springs rated for at least 300 lifts to ensure longevity. Rollaway beds that stack vertically in a closet work when ceiling height and closet depth permit, and you can improve maneuverability by fitting casters that lock and by using a carrying handle fixed to the frame so you avoid dragging the mattress. Trundle beds under seating remain one of the most space-efficient options for frequent guests because the sleeping surface is ready in seconds. Choose a trundle with a reinforced base or slatted frame to add airflow under the mattress and prevent mildew in humid climates. For very occasional use, an inflatable mattress stored in a dedicated hidden compartment is lightweight and easy to maintain. Keep a small electric pump and a repair kit with adhesive patches in the compartment, and deflate and air out the mattress fully before stowing to prevent odor and mold. When selecting any solution, compare mattress material, ventilation, mechanism durability, and ease of deployment so guests get a restful night without you compromising daily living space. The most common mistake is choosing too thin a mattress for sofa-integrated or cabinet beds, which leads to back pain and restless nights. Fix it by opting for at least 4 inches of quality foam or adding a thin memory foam topper. Another frequent issue is neglecting ventilation and moisture control in hidden storage, which creates mildew and odor. Avoid that by using breathable mattress covers, spacing straps, or slatted bases, and airing the mattress periodically. A third problem is underestimating hardware strength and clearance, which causes jamming or premature wear. Prevent that by measuring twice, selecting hardware rated above your expected load, and keeping moving parts lubricated and debris-free. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work relevant to these guest bed pop storage projects. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange installation tips, product feedback, and design ideas to make small home sleeping solutions work for everyone.